Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I am teaching Clay's theorem. What is Clay's theorem? Every finite group Z is isomorphic to a permutation group. That is Clay's theorem. Every finite group Z is isomorphic to a permutation group. Before teaching, I am interested to tell you, if you like my video and my teaching, please subscribe my channel. If A belongs to G, then every x in G, the product x is also G. Okay? So consider a function fa z to into Z. At first we prove the permutation group defined by fax. Fax is equal to x, as because if A belongs to G, then every x in G, the product is also belongs to G. From group we know that. Okay, for all x, at first the function is 1 1, we have to prove f(x), f(y), then you can write ax and ay, then cancellation law, you can xy, so it is 1 1. Then I have proved the onto. If A inverse x, so you can write as because is a product Ax. So if you think that is x, so you can write Ax, and after associative law you can write this, and this is A inverse equal to Ex, so this is equal to x. So it is onto. Okay. Thus fa is 1 1 function from G onto Z dash. So fa is a permutation G. fa is a permutation G. Why? The permutations definition. Suppose S having n distinct element and finite set. If A, then a 1 1 mapping of S onto itself called the permutation of degree n. So it is permutation. Then fa is 1 1 function from G onto Z. So fa is a permutation groups. Let G dash denote the set of all such 1 1 onto G. Let G dash is denote set of all 1 1 onto function on G. Then G dash is equal to fa, A belongs to G. Okay. First we shall prove that G dash is a group with respect to the product of two functions. First we have to prove product of two functions and the group. So the property of group, closure property, associative, existence of identity, existence of inverse, we check all. fa fb belongs to G dash, where ab belongs to G. So fa fb x fa fbx, fbx means fa bx means the product, so bx. Okay, then fa bx you can write abx, so you can write by this, so you can write fabx. Thus we find fab is equal to fab, so it hold closure property. Now associativity. If fa fb fc, so fa fbc, from this above you can write here, from this above you can write this, so you can write this and these are same, you can write, so this, so fa fb fc, so it holds associativity. Now the existence of identity. If E is the identity of G, Fe is the identity of G dash, Fe, since it hold closure property, so you can write Fe, Ea, so Ea equal to A, so Fa. Thus Fe equal to again Fe is equal to Fe equal to Fa. So it holds identity. Now existence of inverse Fa inverse Fa. So you can write from closure property this from this Fe. So again Fa inverse Ap, so it holds inverse. Thus G dash is a group. Now we have proved isomorphic G dash. Consider a function phi g on G dash. Then at first proof phi is 1 1. If a b g, phi a equal to phi b, then f equal to fb, f equal to fax, fbx, so ax equal to bx, so a equal to b. So it is 1 1. Now on to let fa be element of G dash. A belongs to G, then a phi a equal to fa, so phi is onto. Okay. Now phi preserve the composition of G and G dash, so phi ab fab we write, and fab, from this you can write fab, so phi a phi b, so phi preserve the composition, and in G dash, so you can write G dash isomorphic. So every finite group G is isomorphic to a permutation group. That's complete my proof. Thank you so much.